Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Revo sunglasses model RE1067 in color code 04. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a square shape, and its lenses are polarized graphite. The temples are gold, and the temple tips are brown. Same on both sides. You'll also find the Revo logo engraved on its top left lens. On its inner right temple is the Revo logo, that it's polarized, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the model number, the model name, and dimensions of the frame. 59 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Revo zip-up case, a Revo box, a Revo dust bag, and a Revo card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.